A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. Checking your bill on the Lebara UK app is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Lebara app. Launch the Lebara app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the Billing All My Accounts section in the main menu. This is where you can find all billing related information. Step 4. View your current bill. In the billing section, you should see your current bill displayed. Tap on it to get more details, including usage and charges. Step 5. Check for additional charges. Scroll through the bill details to see if there are any additional charges or fees. This can help you avoid surprises at the end of the month. Sometimes, the app may not load your bill immediately due to connectivity issues. If this happens, try refreshing the page or checking your internet connection. I hope this guide helps you easily check your bill on the Lebara UK app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.